Are you tired of paying exorbitant fares for your rideshare services? Introducing Spiid Ride, the budget-friendly rideshare app that operates globally. To get started, simply download the app and click on the Get Started button. Choose your preferred language. Then move on to selecting your language. Once you have selected your country, you can easily verify your phone number with an OTP that will be sent to the phone number you entered. When done, you can enter your credentials. Select your location and set your account password, and click Finish to complete the registration process. To access your account options, click on the profile icon located on the top left side of the app. From there, you can set up your preferred currency and language. If you need to add funds to your account, simply click on the wallet icon to top up. Rest assured that our system uses modern security to ensure that your transactions are 100% secure. For added convenience, you can save your favorite addresses by clicking on the Settings button. And that's it, you are all set to book your first ride.